Good evening and welcome everyone to the webinar today. I am your financial expert Karmeet here. How are you all doing? How is the trading going on? I hope everything is well. Everyone is doing great. Please confirm if audio and video is clear. If you're able to see me well, I can see that the screen is clear. Let me check the audio. Okay, the audio is going well too. Great. So where are you watching this webinar from? How is the trading going on? Anything that you want to talk about trading, you want to discuss, I'm here for you guys. And we will be talking about a very interesting strategy today, which personally I enjoy using, and that is our RODEO strategy. So we'll wait for a minute more for our traders to join in. Once our traders are in, Olymptrade with Javed sir, okay audio, great. Thank you for that confirmation. So how are you all doing first of all, and where are you watching my webinar from? Okay. Akash sir, ma'am. Akash sir, I'm really sorry if you're facing issues with your withdrawal, but anything that is related to deposit and withdrawal, please contact the support team, sir, because here I cannot check your account and I cannot assist. Even if I want to, I cannot assist you in your withdrawals. I'm really sorry, but please feel free to contact the support team and I'm sure you'll get a proper help from them. Alright guys, so traders will be joining in. I request you all that we need all our family support to grow this channel. So share the link with your known ones so that more and more people join the webinar. Okay. So before we proceed, I also want to know where are you watching the webinar from? How is the trading going on? Any concerns about trading, any feedbacks, or have you tried the RODEO strategy? That is a very important thing I would like to know, that how many of you know about it, how many of you have tried it. Put it in the comment section. In the meantime, let's start with our session for today. So right now you see the web version of Olymptrade, okay, on which in the left hand side we see our trades, markets, events and help section, and on the right hand side we see our payment options. That's our account, our amount of trading, our duration, our risk freeze and up down option. The central part that is there, that is known as the terminal part, right? So we see our graphs, we see the technical analysis, we see the chart type, all the graphical and technical analysis is there in the center part. Now when we talk about strategies, guys, there are strategies which are available for starter, advanced and expert level. So on Olymptrade we take care that whatever level you are at, you should get some sort of strategies to help you trade better. Okay, now I am going to talk to you today about an expert level strategy, but we can also try to use it when we are on starter or advanced level. Okay, so how to use that, we will discuss that too. In the meantime, let's check how do we find this strategy. So what are we going to do? We go to a technical analysis section, which is the capital alphabet A. Okay, we see this kind of list open up. Now there are indicators, there are oscillators, drawing, strategies and advisors. You can use indicators, you can use oscillators, but then you will apply it one by one. You will try to change the values of it to get a proper appropriate signal. But why do all this when we have a ready-made strategy available, right? So strategies come with default setting. You don't have to make any changes. They have their best settings already applied. You just need to click and enable it, and it's there to give you the best possible signal. When I say the best possible signal, I do not say that it is going to be 100% successful trade, because guys, come on, this is a live market, right? And live market, we can see up and downs, we can see fluctuations. So none of the strategy is going to give you 100% success ratio, but yes, we will try to understand it to the best possible way. So when I click on this, a list opens up with blue arrows, which is the starter level strategy, then with the yellow arrow, the green arrow, which is the advanced level strategy, and then the expert level. Okay, now when we talk about the expert level, I have picked up RODEO for you. What is RODEO? Let's understand it. In the meantime, before I go to the strategy, let me quickly check if there are any comments. Abhishek sir, Hindi, English. Abhishek sir, I'm really sorry. I understand you're not okay with English. I would request you that we have our Hindi webinars on Tuesdays and Thursdays on the same channel at 7 p.m. Indian time. You can join on Tuesday and Thursday if you're comfortable in Hindi. This time, on Wednesday and Friday, the webinar is in English for our English speaking traders. Okay? So I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. Any more questions, guys? The live chat is open for you. You can post it there. Alright, now what is RODEO? Sorry, this strategy is one of the traders' favorites. It is a counter trend strategy. Now my question to you guys, how many of you all know what is counter trend? What do we mean by counter trend? Put your comments and I'll check who gives the right answer. That relies on Heikin-Ashi, stochastic and MACD indicators. Heikin-Ashi's color change is the key indication that suggests a coming trend. Oscillators are used as a confirmation here. You may watch a video. Now you can watch a video, okay, but if I play it, you cannot hear the audio, so I'm not playing it, but I am here to explain you, so why watch the video, right? So let's enable this strategy and see what happens. Now we see that the Japanese candle changed to Heikin-Ashi. We also see MACD there, we see stochastic there, right? So what is MACD, how it works, what is stochastic, we will check all of that. In the meantime, let us check the details here. Okay. Okay. Now, as the description said, the change of the color of the candle. Yes. No quiz today, sir. Healing Streams Diagnostic Venture. So please, can you put in your name so that it becomes easy for me to address you? It means in the opposite direction. Very good. That's the most accurate answer I was expecting. Yes, that's right. So counter trend means from there it will shift to the opposite direction. It will change to the other direction. Okay. After reaching a particular level, it changes its direction. For example, over here at this point, do you see the candle color was green, it changed to red. Immediately you see the stochastic was going up, it touched the level 80 and from there it showed a counter trend, which means it rebounded. It went in the opposite direction. Bukola. Okay, that's thank you for confirming. Again, okay, we were here. So stochastic hit the 80 level and from there you play carom, right? We play carom. Every one of you must have played carom some or the other, day in your life, right? So in carom, when you hit the strike and you want to play a rebound shot, what do? You hit a particular level, it comes back from there. So that is counter trend while playing. This is counter trend in trading, okay? To put it in a much simple example, I think carom's example is very good. We all understand it. In the same way, scroll a bit sideways. You see that over here, the color of the candle changed from red to green. The MACD went above the zero line. The stochastic had hit the level 20 and from there it rebounded. It went upward. It's similar, it happened over here. Okay, it hit the level 80, crossed the level 80 and then there was a downtrend. Now what is happening? Now the MACD went above the zero line. The stochastic is about to go near the level 80. From the level 80, it will again rebound and then we make a 2 to 3 minutes down trade. Okay, is RODEO clear to you how this works? Any questions? I will make some trade for sure, but if you have any questions in understanding it, please let me know. And counter trend, that means obviously over here. Now see, this is a signal coming up. What happened? From green, the color changed to red. The stochastic is trying to counter trend, but still we are waiting for a confirmation from MACD. Now as soon as the next candle forms, we will see what MACD says, and then we make a down trade. See, still we are waiting for a confirmation. So MACD has still not confirmed that it's a downtrend, so we wait, right? We wait for some time and then we make this trade. Similarly, here we will see a downtrend coming up because it's hitting the level 80. Okay, so it's very simple. Just remember the change of the color of the candle in Heikin-Ashi candlestick. Here we are getting an up trade. Why? Because it has hit the level 20 and now it is going to counter trend. Okay, so remember the change, and the color of the candle is from red, it has become green. We see a counter trend coming up. MACD is trying to get closer to the zero line. So yes, this can be an up trade. Okay. Always remember the change of the color of the candle is the first thing you're going to notice over here. Then you will check the oscillators, which is MACD and stochastic. If they are in the favor, you make this trade. Okay. You see over here you are saying the MACD is trying really hard to cross the zero line, and the stochastic is also going counter trend. Okay, so as soon as maybe after this candle, as soon as the MACD shifts, we will make an up trade here. All right, I hope it is clear to you. If anyone has any questions, do let me know. Alright, so we are just waiting for this candle to end and then we are going to make our trade over here. Okay, we see that the candle end, the MACD has shifted above the zero line, stochastic is reversing. I make a 2 to 3 minutes up trade. Okay, now let's check some more assets. So this is how it works. You're supposed to enter the trade in the initial 15 to 20 seconds. Again, here we might get an up signal soon. Always remember that when the candle is in the initial 15 to 20 seconds, that is the time you're going to make this trade. Do not wait for the candle to be like 30 seconds, 25 seconds. No, that's very risky, guys. So don't do that. Okay. Is that clear? Does it mean for the uptrend I need to wait for the MACD to be above the zero? Yes, the MACD has to go. For example, let's understand more. See, over here what happened? No, this is not a classic example actually. Let's go to Asia Composite. Yes, this is good one. So here what happened? The color of the candle became green, Bukula, and stochastic started reversing and MACD went above the zero line. It was an uptrend. Over here you see the MACD shifted below the zero line, stochastic started reversing and the color of the candle was red. That time you make 2 to 3 minutes down trade. Okay, so it's that simple. You just need to focus on the color of the candle, and MACD has to be above or zero line, above the zero line or below the zero line. Stochastic has to hit the level 80 and it will reverse, or it will hit the level 20 and it will reverse. Yes, it's a nice name. Where are you from, by the way? Okay, one more thing that I wanted to alert you guys is about this kind of situation. Okay, you see stochastic is flat over here, MACD is not showing any movement, and it is instability. 1-2 candles green, 1-2 red, then again 1 or 2 green. So this kind of market is considered a volatile or a flat market. Okay, so what do we do over here? In this situation, we will be avoiding trading. Okay, this signal we have almost, we can try actually, let's see. Okay, the Astro Index trade that we had made, that went positive. So right now we have one trade active in commodity. Let's see how that one goes. You are from Nigeria, yes. And what does your name mean? I mean, it's a new name for us. So what does it mean? We would like to know that. Okay, so everyone, is RODEO clear to you guys? Any questions about RODEO? Let's first address the questions and then we start trading full-fledged. Then we start using it in our trading, and you can let me know which asset you feel there's a signal. Okay, the next point that comes is how to use it on the starter level or the advanced level. Here we might get a signal soon. Okay, let's wait for the MACD. See, the stochastic is 14 and 3, MACD is 12, 26, 9. So what you can do is, for example, consider that this is not there. What you will see as soon as you click on technical analysis, alphabet A, you will see this list. Click on oscillators, go to MACD, it's already the default, right? So what we do is we cancel the, okay, it is default. Then you click on add more tool, go to oscillator, click on stochastic, it is again the default. So you will have your own RODEO strategy ready. My full name is Olupakula, which means God added to my. Oh, that's really beautiful. Yes, Akpak sir. So yes, it means blessed with wealth. That's why he's in trading, right? That's why he's here, because he's blessed with wealth. Suzanne Malik understood. Great. Now that you people have understood it, what I want you to do, I want you to apply the strategy in your account. I want you to check different assets and tell me which asset you feel might be a signal. Okay, we made 2 trades so far. Both our trades are positive. We have not used any risk-free so far. I will demonstrate you how do we use risk-free, but right now I have not used it. Okay, so I will practice that. I'll show you using risk-free. But okay, we might have a signal coming up after this candle in Euro composite. Why? Stochastic has already given us a signal. Color of the candle has changed. MACD's confirmation is still pending. Trading signal crypto. In crypto composite, you mean? Do you want me to check crypto composite, Maliksa? Suzanne? 1 second. Let me see what MACD says. Okay. I think it's going down. So we made a down trade. And I have a comment about crypto. So let me check crypto. Yes. So so signal crypto, yes. See what happened in crypto. What I'm checking over here is stochastic is showing a shift. Okay, the color of the candle changed, but now it has again changed. So we will wait. Okay. It was a signal if this would have continued, but right now, do you see stochastic? It tried to counter trend, but it is again going in the opposite direction. Okay, so wait for this. As we are waiting, it will go down, no doubt. It is going to go down, but we need a proper signal. Stochastic is giving it. MACD's confirmation is still pending there. Okay, so as soon as we get a confirmation from MACD, the third trade is going on. Let's check what is the status of it. Okay, the third trade is also almost in our favor. Yes, we will make a trade on crypto because you have suggested me the asset, and I will surely make a trade here. Okay, but as soon as MACD gives a confirmation, it goes in the next candle, because see this asset, you can see it's a proper trendy asset. Okay, down, up, down, up. Now it has gone up for quite a long time. Now it will go down. Okay, so there is a proper trend here. So we will be making a trade after this candle as soon as we get a down signal. Yes, let's make a trade here. See, MACD gave a signal. It went below the 0 line. Here is a signal. I am making a trade. Euro composite. We already made a trade in Euro composite. Now it is going to, so it has crossed the level 20. Maybe one or two candles later on, it will shift. Okay, so see, the Euro composite trade went positive. Now we have a trade in crypto composite. Okay. I will still say that you will see fluctuations, and right now 4 trades made, 4 trades are positive, which is very good, but there can be fluctuations. Okay, there can be negative results, so we need to be prepared about it. Again, over here in commodity, You see, stochastic has given a signal, the color of the candle has changed, but still MACD has not confirmed it. So we are waiting for a confirmation from MACD. As soon as MACD confirms it, we will make a trade. Let's see what this candle. Okay, MACD is still saying I am and the color changed. So we are not trading in commodity. Is this clear? that's a most best comment of the day. Some comments make your day, but if the world is ending, Akpak, so why will I take the webinar? I will try to live the end of the day. Now why will I be taking a webinar that day? Or maybe not, I will not be teaching you, because obviously if the world is ending tomorrow, we are not going to trade, we are not going to be there. So maybe I come and we chit chat on the live that, okay, next live, what are we going to do, all of that, right? So maybe we do that about, and we can talk about what are we going to be in our next lives, but not trading webinars. Yeah, sure, I can explain again, sure. So Bukula, just look at the screen, okay? Whenever you see that there is a sudden change in the candle, okay? For example, it was red. Not this, actually. Let me give you a better example for you. Just focus on the screen. All right, yeah, this is a good one. Whenever you see that the color of the candle has changed from one to another, for example, from red to green or green to red, if the color has changed to green, you will look at the stochastic first. If the stochastic is near 20, below 20, and it is reversing, it is going upwards, at the same time, if MACD is above the zero line, you will make an up trade. At the same time, if stochastic is near, above, or touching the 80 line and reversing, and MACD is below the zero line, color of the candle is red, you will make a down trade over here. Okay, it's that simple. Alright, so how many trades made so far? We have 5 trades and 5 of them have been successful. So you see, it is actually giving you a very good example. It is giving you a very good result. Now I will say that you need to practice this strategy more, because understanding, one is following a trend and one is counter trend. Many times we get confused about counter trend, how this works, how this goes on. So for counter trend, always understand that the direction it is going in, it will bounce from there, bouncing back, coming back. You throw the ball on the floor, it comes back. That is counter trend. Okay, so over here, this is also a very beautiful example. It was a downtrend, the color changed to green. As soon as it changed to green, look at the screen. Okay, as soon as the color changed to green, you see the stochastic was below the level 20, it went upwards. But we waited. The MACD over here, it shifted, we made a up trade. Again over here, the stochastic was near the level 80, crossed the level 80, it went downward. We waited for the MACD and we made a down trade. That's simple. Okay, now I want some more assets, name of the assets where we are supposed to trade. Do let me know if you find any signals so that we can make more trades today. All right, no signal in gold. Let's check commodity. I do not see a signal in commodity. Let me check crypto. Okay, for crypto, I think maybe 1 or 2 candles down the line, we will have a up signal coming up. Okay, because the down signal is already done, we might have a uptrend coming up in crypto. So any questions, any doubts about RODEO? Is everything clear? Even in euro, we will see an up trade. Is everything clear, guys? Please ask me if you have any doubts, any questions. We will make the maximum trade possible. Okay, I have showed you how to use this strategy if you are on an advanced or an starter level. So that is clear. Okay, let's check crypto and euro where we were supposed to receive a signal. Nothing in crypto as of now. Let's check euro. Euro will give a signal. Let's see what the next candle does. If the next candle is going green, maybe we can wait for a minute or two. Okay, no, not yet. So let's scroll a bit down and see other assets, maybe Mahajantar or Moonch Index. Nope. All right, so how many of you have practiced the RODEO strategy? How many of you have used it, or how many of you are actually learning it for the first time? Come on, tell me. I would want to know, so that if it's a first time for you, if there might be questions, but if you have used it, you might already know, and I don't think that it would have you will have more questions about it. Today we don't have a couple of people who are always there in the session. We don't have Abhinav sir, who normally never misses the session. So all right, guys, share the webinar. Share the webinars with your known ones who you feel are trading on the platform. If the best teacher, convenient teacher, there will be no doubts left for that. Thank you, Arpak sir. But no, it's not like that. Everyone can have doubts. Everyone can have questions. But I would be happy if you have doubts actually, because that makes me understand that you are focusing, you are learning to the fullest. So I'm happy with it. That's fine. Okay, we missed a signal here in gold, but gold is a very fluctuating app. This is my first time and it is still logged in my account. I didn't get that. This is your first time in trading or on the platform? Okay, see, I am not sure about gold trade, okay, because gold is a very fluctuating asset. But since MACD and stochastic and the color is giving a signal, I've made a trade here. I don't know what is going to happen about this trade. It can go positive, it can go negative, because with me, from the past few weeks, gold and I are playing a game. Okay, we basically we fight, we have a small debate. When I say go up, gold says I am okay, I'll go up, and then he comes back to me saying no, I changed my mood and I'm going down. So that is happening with me or RODEO. First time hearing about RODEO, and did it clear your doubts that you had? Is your doubt clear? See, I told you. But still I have expectations, still I have hope from gold. Let's see. So, since it's your first time, do you have questions here? Karmeet ma'am, I have been attending Olymptrade webinars since 5 years. If I have no doubts with these strategy, I'm here for fun. That's see, I understand you're here for fun. Maybe sometimes you're here for just a brush up session, to understand if you have missed anything or something. Maybe that is also there. Okay, you're just learning trading. That's good. Okay, we are getting a signal in euro. As I told you, an up signal is coming up, but not right now. Stochastic is showing a shift. Color of the candle has changed, but we are waiting for MACD. As soon as MACD says, okay, this is a shift, we make a trade over here. All right. So it's very simple. See, normally what happens is we see that, oh my god, 2-3 indicators, 2-3 oscillators, what are we supposed to do and all. But what happens is, it is not that complicated. Just by reading the name stochastic, MACD, you get scared. But don't get scared. It's very simple when you sit patiently and understand. Because trading is all about patience. What happened to gold? I lost the trade. It broke my record of, continuous back-to-back positive trades. So I knew that, but still that's fine. We will recover it. Yes, sir. I am already telling you before taking the trade, Rishikesh sir. For example, I am waiting for a signal here. Now the candle is green. The stochastic has given a signal. MACD has not given a signal. As soon as MACD goes above the zero line, I will take a $5 trade for 2 minutes. So I'm just waiting for a confirmation from MACD. Okay, in the meantime, if you find any other asset, like Suzanne was telling me about a couple of assets, we made a trade on that asset. So if you find any such assets, feel free to drop in the name and I'll check that too. Okay, if there is a signal, we'll make a trade over there, because right now I see a good signal coming up over here. I'm waiting for this one. Gold has come to a realization: once it falls into a woman's hands, it's hers to. Oh, okay, okay. I would answer that in my next session to you. Okay. Okay. The MACD shifted. We make an up trade. Let's move. We are not going to keep waiting. In fact, I feel gold does not realize that, because if it comes in my hand, I have made a trade, gold needs to be mine. But it is, it's like that fighting, it's in my revenge mode with me. Okay, yes, I am on Asia Composite, but right now, see, about Asia Composite, we are late. Why we are late? At this point, we could have made a trade here. Right now, it has already reached the level 80 and we might see a shift anytime. Okay, so if you want, I can demonstrate it to you by using a risk-free trade. Okay, now I used a risk-free trade and I made an up trade as you suggested. I made an up trade. Now if this trade goes in my favor, what is the benefit of using the risk-free? If it goes in my favor, great, I get profit. But if it doesn't, my $5 come back to me. What happened to euro? Okay, euro is almost nearby. Anything can happen. That's fine. Alright, so that is about risk-free trade. As soon as I see that, okay, there is a fluctuation happening, I use risk-free trade so that my money is secured and my trades also. Even if I win, I get profit. If I don't win, I get my invested amount back. Okay. So I hope how to use risk-free trade is clear. Now one thing about risk-free is they do not expire. So save them. You see, I've saved them for a long period of time. Whenever you see a fluctuation coming up, use it that time so that you are trading safely. Okay, now see this trade in euro. We have 8 seconds left, but right now there is a fluctuation. I doubt that it is going in our favor. No, it is not. But we recovered it in our next trade. So that's totally fine. All right. Let me close gold. Let me close this and let me search some more assets. Where do I get the risk free? So which level are you on? Because risk free, as your level increases on the platform, you will get the risk free. Like I am on expert level, the more I trade, the more risk frees are added to my account. So what level are you on also matters about risk free. This closed at a no profit, no loss. Now if you see, it is not showing in red, it is showing in white because my money came back. Okay, so that means there was no profit, no loss over here. So that is the reason the money was back. Okay, yes, we are getting a signal in Asia now, a down signal. Alright, so there is a downtrend coming up in Asia. What will happen is, stochastic has shown it's a downtrend. The color of the candle is showing it's a downtrend. We are waiting for MACD to shift. MACD shifts, we make a downtrend. You're on starter level. So risk freeze you will get as your level increases. So keep on trading, keep on increasing your level. You can also make some better, good, huge deposits, bigger deposits, and get the risk freeze in your account. And once you get it, it's there for lifetime. They don't expire. Yes, one risk free can be used only once. If you use it, it's over. For example, I had 58 risk frees. Now it's 57 because I used one. Okay, so as I keep on using, it keeps on reducing. Alright, so any assets that we see the signals coming up in? Anyone sees any opportunity? Anyone sees any assets? Do let me know. Any questions? Okay, here we have an up trade coming up. Now, I see that this is a good signal. Okay, a proper trend signal, a good signal. Stochastic gave a signal. Heikinashi confirmed it. MACD confirmed it. So what I did is, still to be on a safer side, I used a bit bigger amount risk-free trade, and I am making a trade in the upper direction. Why? Because stochastic told me, MACD told me, I see a change, I make a up trade. Okay, so I have made a up trade of $15 using the risk free. I thought so, Abhinav. So we just took your name. We just mentioned that today Abhinav sir is missing. That never happens. So maybe you forgot it. So yes, I just checked that. And okay, we have a signal in Asia. We have a signal in Asia for down. Okay, we have a down signal here. Let's wait for this candle to end. And then we make a down trade. Okay, the MACD shifted. We make a down trade here. What is the latest comment? Yes, today we took the quiz in the very first beginning. So from you're saying this, Akpak sir. So from next time, Abhinav sir will be there 10 minutes earlier now. Yes, you're saying that. So no, we did not have a quiz today. Don't make him feel bad for joining late. We did not have a quiz today. But maybe we have it very soon. Maybe I will let you know. But yes, join the sessions on time. We are learning the RODEO strategy today. So do you know about RODEO, Abhinav sir? Any doubts? If you have any questions about RODEO, do let me know. So we have two trades active right now. What happened to Astro shifted. Okay, no worries, but it was a risk free. Okay, now we were checking crypto is giving a down signal, but not right now. The color has changed, the stochastic is changing, but we are still waiting for MACD. Once MACD confirms it, we will make this trade. All right, so if anyone has any questions, you have just joined, don't worry, the video will be available on the channel in the recorded form. You can watch it anytime, and we keep on coming live like every week, so you can note your doubts. If you have anything, you can certainly clear it in the next session. All right, so let's wait for a signal from MACD, and once we have that, we make a down trade here. Okay, the Asia composite trade went positive. We still do not have signal from MACD. Let's check some other assets in the meantime, guys. Okay, we missed a very good signal in Astro. I guess we made a trade in Astro, right? Yes, but that did not go in our favor. We made an up trade here, but it flipped. Maybe there was some news for Astro that made the sudden change, so it's okay. All right, so let me know the assets where you find the signals. Just give me a second while I grab a sip of water, guys. Please be there. Okay, so there are, thank you for that time. Abhinav say, this is my last week in trading. I came here just to let you know that this is my, what happened? Good morning, Franco. How are you? What happened, Abhinav? So, I mean, I last week in trading, as in due to your studies, due to your work commitments, or what? DS King, that is the fact. Consecutive 3 trades loss is a major thing, and that is the only reason I tell you that if back to back you lose even 2 trades, stop trading for some time. Maybe take a 10 minutes breather. Okay. This strategy I'll show you, Franco. This has a stochastic oscillator and an MACD. Okay, and the candle type is, the chart type is Heikin-Ashi. Okay, the stochastic is in its default value, MACD is also in its default value, but only the candle that we use here is Heikin-Ashi. As soon as the color of the candle changes, you check the indicators and accordingly you make a trade. This is a counter trend strategy, by the way. So when it hits the level 80, it counter trends. When it hits the level 20, it counter trends. Okay, it bounces back. All right. Other than that, the video will certainly be available. You can certainly check it anytime that you want. Okay, Abhinav sir, but I would say if there's something that you want to, get a proper guidance or you want to learn, we are here for you. The sessions will continue. You can join it. You can learn whenever you want to. Okay. Don't worry about that. All right, so maybe 2 to 3 trades more is what I'm looking at. Okay, commodity about to give a signal. Stochastic has confirmed, candles have confirmed. Waiting for MACD to confirm. 1 or 2 years is a very long time. We are going to miss you in our sessions for sure. But if you get time and if you're able to join our sessions and you want to continue learning, you can certainly do that. Okay. The color has changed. The stochastic pattern has also changed. So let's move to other asset. We do not see any opportunity coming in over here. Okay. All right. We might have a signal in Euro composite for up direction, but not at the moment. Stochastic is saying yes. MACD is not very sure. Color has changed. Let's wait for this candle to end. Maybe after this candle, we will be able to finalize whether we are getting a signal in the upward direction. All right. If I find more signals, I'll make more trades. And to find more signals, guys, I need you all to let me know. Apply this strategy on your account and just let me know if you see a signal coming up in some asset so that we can make more and more trades. Yes, we get an up signal. I have made an up trade in Euro. Let's see how this one goes. As soon as you get the up signal, you make the trade. Let's check the other assets. Squeaky dog. Do you still hear that? I mean, I don't think so that's there. Do you hear that? Because I cannot hear it. If you hear the dog barking, that is my dog. But right now he is in his sleeping mode, so he is not barking. So tell me, do you hear that sound? If you don't, that's good thing actually, right? All right, so we have one active trade in Euro. The Asia trade went positive, one active in Euro. Let's see what is happening here. We are also getting a signal in Astro. Let's make an up trade because stochastic shifted. MACD is above the 0 line and color of the candle is green. Heikin-Ashi is saying uptrend. Now 2 active trades. Can you give me a personal signal? You're missing his barking? keep on missing it, because once he starts barking, he wants all my attention. I am really sorry, Abhishek sir, but what level are you on? Are you on the basic starter level, advanced level, which level? You can check your levels from your profile. Over here on your profile, like you see yellow marks over here, I'm an expert. If you see a blue mark or 2 green marks, let me know. If you are on advanced level, we can provide you 1 session a month. If you are on expert level, you can get 4 sessions a month with our expert, but I will need your ID for that. So first let me know your level, and accordingly we can decide that for you. No sir, don't miss him. He's good when he's calm. Alright, so the trade in Astro, let's check what happened. The Euro one went positive. The trade in Astro is going on. Let's move to Mahajantar and see. We do not have anything in Mahajantar. Let's check Moonch Index. Yes, Moonch Index is going to give a down signal. And I guess once we have yes, it was a good entry. Once we have the down signal after this candle, or after maybe 2 candles, okay, it shifted. Do you see the shift? Now there is a fluctuation, so we are going to lose this trade for sure, but that's okay. We have already recovered it. Lack of time in schedule, currently going to give my full attention to particular goal apart from trading. That's good. You focus on your goals, and we will be here to guide you anytime you come back. Okay, I don't have Astro in my options. Why? I'm really sorry, that's not possible. Just scroll a bit down and see. Euro, yes, we missed the signal, Franco. We really missed. Actually, we grabbed that signal over here. You see, we made a trade in Euro. Where did we make this trade? Okay. Yes, we have already made a trade in Euro. So we did not miss that trade. We grabbed that trade, but we are you can right now. But see Franco, one thing to remember, it has already gone near the level 80. Okay, so from here it rebounds. So either you, as soon as you see the shift, you do it over here. See, you're saying it's about to come back. So this is a bit risky. You can still try, but it's a bit risky. He is good since his mama is... I'm green today. Yes, his mama is very good, but still he is just waiting for his food. He's just waiting for me to finish my sessions, finish my work, and give him attention. So right now he's just back from his walk, so he is waiting for it. Okay, we have Asia giving us signal. Let's see what the next candle has for us. Any questions, guys? Any questions about RODEO? I'm here. We have last 5 to 6 minutes left with us. Actually 7 minutes to be precise. So let me know if you have any doubts. Okay, no. See, the color of the candle changed. I am not going to risk it. If it's not going in the trend it is supposed to, do not risk it, guys. Just switch the asset. Okay? All right, let's find one last trade, one good last trade. Good evening, Mehboob sir. You are very late today, sir. What happened? Did you forget the session? Yes, we are going to miss. I mean, the most active comments are from Abhinav sir, so we are going to miss it. But hopefully you achieve what you want to soon and you're back on the platform. We just hope that. Mehboob sir is also late today. Today many of you have joined late. So no worries. I will have this video posted on the channel. You can watch it anytime and you can learn, you can practice. If there's anything, you can ask me in my next session also. You are coming from office. Okay, then it's fine. If you're coming from office, I give you that liberty to be late. So that's fine. But do check this strategy. It has given us very good results. Do check it. We will also check where did I start from and what is the total profit in the last, in the 40, not 40 actually, 50 minutes that we make this trade. I will also check that. Okay, you were driving but you were listening to me. That's so sweet of you. Thank you. I mean, that dedication is what I need from my traders, right? That you be focused. Any place, anywhere you can listen to the webinars. I am not asking you to be live on video and all, but I want you all to listen and understand. And today I got my last contest RFD. I have successfully utilized my in profit and made a withdrawal again. Okay, I'll let Kunal know, sir. You still remember that, don't you? When Christian, can you please type this in English, because I am more comfortable in English. Franco, next session in Forex. Okay, I'll forward that as a feedback. We will try for that also, and we'll keep you posted. Okay. So, Akpak sir says that I'm the toughest teacher. So, the people who are here, you all tell me that, do you think that I'm that strict with you guys? I mean, come on. I'm the one who cracks jokes with you. I'm the one who tells you about my dog. I'm the one who teaches you trading. You don't even realize, even I don't realize actually how this 1 hour passes. So, how can I be the toughest teacher? And also say sorry from my side to Kunal sir for not attending his international call, because I was unaware of the call when it came. I was in a call. No worries, I'll inform Kunal about it. Alright guys, I think this was our last trade. I'm not finding any signals. I am going, this will come up with a signal, but 2-3 minutes down the line. Okay, after 2-3 candles. So I do not see any signals, but we have made enough trades. Now let me just check where I started the trade, at what amount and what amount I am on right now. Just give me 1 second. I started at 22,739. Okay, so I am right now on 760, and any active trades? No, none. So it's around $21 of profit. Okay, which is also good. As per my experience, you are literally one of the best frank person I've ever met in my life. That's really grateful of you. Ma'am, please tell me session on team continue or not. Which sessions, sir? I mean, are you talking about the group sessions that we have, or which sessions are you talking about? Can you please be a bit precise about it? All right, we have a signal in Asia. I have made an up trade in Asia. But it's also the time to end my webinar. Maybe we will check this trade in our next webinar. Yes, Franco, Asia it is. Asia it is. I just made a trade in Asia there, and I see that it's going in our favor, but that's fine. It's also almost time for me to end the webinar, and it's been a lovely webinar, I guess. We had good success ratio. The strategy is really good. Today there was a bit of slow fluctuation. The group webinar is already on. Mehboob sir, you can contact your account manager and they will guide you about it. So it's going on. It will be there. It's going on. Okay. I guess you were there in the webinar that I conducted on Friday. Don't worry, you won't have to miss it for long. I'll be there in the next session again. So don't worry. Okay. Say bye to your headphones too. Alright, so down signaling. Okay guys, we have 2 trades going on, one in Asia, one in Mooch Index right now. Alright, but it's also time for me to say goodbye to you, and I hope to see you all so active in my next webinar also. And trust me, I will try my best to guide you to the best possible way. If I miss out on something, feel free to question it in the chat section like you just did today. The more active you are, the more active these sessions will be for you. Okay, so maybe I'll not be able to attend the remaining sessions in this week. Please say my thanks and goodbye to the channel analysts, including Hemant sir and Akash sir. Sure, Abhinav, we are going to miss you, and please be back soon. Finish your responsibilities, take care of them, and be back soon. Okay, in the meantime guys, time to say goodbye. 2 active trades, both of them are right now positive. Asia ends positive and Mooch index is also almost in our favor. So time to say goodbye to you guys. You are most welcome. Thanks, Suzanne. Thank you for that. And take care, everyone. Wish you all the best in trading and your life. Enjoy your day. Most